This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your smart bracelet. First, make sure your new smart bracelet is fully charged. This ensures a smooth setup process without interruptions. Next, download the specific companion app for your device from your phone's app store. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone so it can discover your bracelet. These initial steps are crucial for a successful connection. Once your app is open, it will guide you through the pairing process. Look for your bracelet's name in the list of available devices and tap to select it. Sometimes, a pairing code will display on both your phone and the bracelet. Confirm this code to establish a secure connection. This step links your bracelet directly to your smartphone, allowing data synchronization. Now that your bracelet is paired, it's time to customize your settings. Enter your personal details in the app for more accurate health tracking. You can also choose your preferred time display, whether it's a 12-hour or 24-hour format. Dive into the app to enable notifications and set daily activity goals like 10,000 steps to get the most from your device. To keep your smart bracelet running smoothly, remember to sync it regularly with your phone. This ensures all your latest activity and health data is transferred. Also, check for and install any available firmware updates to benefit from performance improvements and new features. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your new smart bracelet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.